I spent my entire evening working on this new brochure. Took me 2 hours.
This nice mill.
Thank you.
Oh, this look good, man. This perfect.
I guess graphic design school wasn't a waste of time after all, huh?
Knowledge is never a waste.
True. Listen, Desmond, thanks for giving me this part-time job. I really appreciate it.
Of course. Oh, of course. I'm just sorry that the singing thing never worked out with you and Carol. You two were so talented.
Ah, thanks. That was a million years ago.
Yeah, but it just seemed like it was yesterday.
I know. We would have been big stars by now if you didn't knock up Carol.
Knock out? I did knock out and I find out she's pregnant.
What?
Honey, the guest in room 3 is having a problem with our Wi-Fi.
What's up with our Wi-Fi?
What's up with my Wi-Fi? I'm trying to watch my rock videos on YouTube. That's what's up.
One life, one sound could spin the world around. One place today could take breath away. No reason for the self-worth pity. Sunshine bright, the water stays so pretty. So much love is spread across my city. One location, just one spot. We'll give you all we got. The coconut hut. The coconut hut. The coconut hut. Oh, the coconut hut. The coconut hut.
Yes, I tell you. You're too light. What? I tell you, she loose. She's a church girl. What? Please.
Bill! Billy!
Hold on, me a pick up. I come in.
Quick! Hurry up, Mom!
Cecil, you know Desmond and Carol don't like you sneaking through the hotel to harass the tourists on the beach.
Stainless steel. Buy 12, get 1 free.
That better not be Cecil here out there, no?
I leaving, man.
Yeah, man. We're Sleeping Beauty.
She's helping Desmond and Carol get the Wi-Fi back up.
Wi-Fi, sci-fi, you can't deny. Razor fix anything in just one try. Go there, Razor.
Hey, Razor.
Yes, good chief.
I was at the middle of listening to this wicked beat on the internet when all of a sudden, no Wi-Fi.
Well, not to worry. Razor fix anything before you say curry.
Razor.
Yes, my champion.
Stick to what you do best and leave the rapping to you, sir.
Great minds think alike.
Oh, by the way, my new rap name is Fluorescent.
Fluorescent. But you know, I kind of like that name. Yeah.
Y'all straight up tripping up in here.
Miss Cranston, I assure you we will have your Wi-Fi up and running in no time.
First, you lied about your inn being a 4-star.
Lie? That's not lying. That's marketing.
Second, I can't even watch my Jay-Z videos.
Miss Cranston, Razor, our maintenance man.
Industrial engineer.
He will have your Wi-Fi up and running in no time.
I'm going to the Ritz-Carlton, cause that's how I roll, yo. Where's a bellhop when you need one?
Coming. Oh, by the way, I just disconnected the old router. That's the new one right there I'm going to install. Upgrade.
I believe she's going to need a cab.
That damn jackass. The man that make me lose money, you know.
Well, him have a point.
What point is that?
Upgrades.
We don't know where we're going, but we all know where we're staying. Whether you're single or a family, vacation's what we're playing. I'd rather know than never know and give it nothing at all. If I was broke, I'd say the joke about the tripping and all. I daydream every day in my mind, every hour or so. And this is where I go. The coconut, the coconut, the coconut hut. The coconut, the coconut, the coconut hut. Oh, the coconut, the coconut, the coconut hut. The coconut, the coconut, the coconut hut.